Hey guys, Friday market has closed. We will do our very quick update on the URNM, that is the ETF for the 100% pure uranium miners. We do this, 1 hour time frame walkthrough a few times per week just to see where we are in time. And yesterday was a great day for energies. Oil, gas is maybe trying to bottoming out. Coal looks really, really good. Waiting for some big breakouts as well. And yeah, we had a decent day for uranium miners. But the big thing is, where are we? And have we broken any structures of the any downtrend? The structures for the downtrend. Have we broken it? Where are we? Are we back in full-on bull mode? Maybe we will check that. In just a few moments here. As always, like, subscribe to the Twitter channel, the YouTube channel as well. Give me a subscription, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And if you want to become a member, check it out and see if you like if you like your stay really. The members get extra videos, extra stock picks, entries, stop losses, and my thoughts really. So check it out if it is something for you. Yes, uranium, URNM. Where are we in time for the URNM? So basically, let's just quickly here go through some longer-ish, not all this stuff down here. We have been covering that a lot here. The previous all-time high in 2021 was roughly 51.5. And zooming in here on the price action for 2024, we blasted higher here. A lot of gaps on the way, bull flag, pierced the previous bull flag high, and then we just came crashing down on I think it was the Cameco Q4 releases, and we have been in a downtrend ever since. This down here, by the way, is the 30 weekly moving average. So even if we go here to the 1 hourly, this is the 30 weekly, which is one of the long-term most important moving averages that you should have on your chart if you want to have any moving averages at all. So where are we? What has happened here? We need to do something like this. So yeah, we had that all-time high. Go away. We had that all-time high here, break up, bull flag, perfect retest. Actually, that was insanely bullish to do, closing the gap, retesting within a very well-defined structure, and we came going again. This is the Kazatomprom earnings, and ever since, boom, down, quite hard actually. You can see here the pullbacks on the way are just bearish structures, mostly until we came in and formed that possible. We were here, we called it the possible inverted head and shoulders. The neckline is that blue bad boy right here. And you can see here again today, this was also the resistance of the high of the day at that neckline. So, but now it is very, very well defined. If we break here, that means that we can actually do a measured move here roughly into the 53.6, meaning if that happens, that's the measured move, and then we could get there, and that also means that we will get back above what is, in my view, the most important thing is to get back above that previous 2021 all-time high at roughly 51.5. And then we need to confirm, meaning to stay there for a few days. But again, this is the structure, the symmetry of this inverted head and shoulders is very, very, very nice. The only thing that, if I were to be a little bit nitpicky, is actually the depth here of the right shoulder. It's very deep compared to the left, but still, it is still nothing more than an inverted head and shoulders. Usually, I would like to see it stop very close to the left one here, preferable a bit higher. But hey, you cannot have it all really. I think yesterday's initial, spike there and then the sell-off during the day just was a lot of downward momentum, but that changed today, obviously. Also, I want to show you here, this candle right here is from yesterday. You can see that big volume spike coming in on that red candle, and then we actually had increased volume on the way up here. So this could be that final volume usually it's a spike below the previous low, but again, huge volume here at the double bottom. And ever since we have had increased volume on mostly green candles. So that is definitely a plus. So we have broken the downtrend that we have been looking at for the past, I don't know, 2 weeks or so. That's broken. And now we need to see and to get back above, really. That is the main game here. Also, as mentioned, you know, I think it was Wednesday, I think, or was it Tuesday? It doesn't really matter. I think as I mentioned, we need roughly 5, 7, 8 trading days to undo all, you know, this damage down here, to take out that short-term momentum to the downside. We need, you know, some days here to really maybe go higher into next week, and get above that pesky 51.5 really. So yeah, a great day for the miners. And so yeah, the downtrend is broken, which is nice. Now we need to undo all that damage, get back above. You can also see the 30 weekly here, that could act, you know, as a big support, which it usually is. And then we hopefully somehow can grind higher, you know, into the next week. So yeah, with all that said, I don't think I have much more to say really. Am I mega bullish now? No, but the structure right now points to a possible bottom on the 1 hourly time frame, and that's really all we need right now. And then next week we'll confirm it. Yeah, I think next week could confirm getting back above. Again, if oil really goes ballistic here, you know, we have triggered the inverted head and shoulders for oil. That means that XLE will start to also go higher. And usually, you know, if the overall energy sector is going up, it will pull up our beloved uranium as well. So with that said, great day. Hey, I want to show you one thing actually, the URA. The URA, I don't have that many lines on it because I usually use the URNM. But again, downtrend also broken here on the 1 hourly neckline. That should be blue. Neckline here, you can see it broken. There it is. And now we're testing from above. So on the URA chart, the inverted head and shoulders has been confirmed and is now retesting to turn that neckline into a support. So that's really, really good to see, you know. But anyway, you know, URA is like 70% miners, uranium miners, and then 30% solar and some wind, I think. So, but definitely, you know, I think the bigger names is still, you know, loading into the URA because the vehicle is bigger. I could be wrong on that part, but definitely, in my view, long term here, this is some sort of pause before we go higher. So yeah, that is it. That's all, guys, for this very short video. URNM broke its downtrend. Beautiful. Next week, confirmation of the inverted head and shoulders. There it is. Bye, guys.